How to use HeyGen AI Studio tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get started with using HeyGen, an AI video generator. You can create unlimited AI videos with no cameras. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over into HeyGen.com. Now HeyGen offers you a vast variety of features, including their AI Studio, video avatars, avatar IV. So simply select AI Studio from here. Once you do that, you can get started for free because they do have a free plan. We will be discussing pricing more in detail at the end of this video. Click on Get Started for free. Once you do that, you're going to enter your email address, or you can sign up using Google and Apple as well. This just depends on your personal preference on how you want to get started. So I'm just going to continue on with Google over here for a quick and easy sign up. Now, once you do that, this is your HeyGen basic dashboard. So before you can access the dashboard, you do have to pick out your plan. So we're going to opt for their free plan, and then we're just going to proceed with a couple of different questions over here. And then from here, we're just going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, this is what HeyGen Studio is going to look like. So on the left, you have the ability to directly create a video. Then you can categorize your project, and then you can even access some of their amazing templates. Below that, you have all of your different assets. This includes avatars, AI voices, as well as branding kits that you can build. Below that, you have upload, so you can upload your own folders and your own items, as well as integrate with other platforms like Canva, Tolstoy, ChatGPT, Repurpose, and many other tools. Below that, you have their brand new feature called HeyGen Labs, which includes video podcasting, interactive avatars, instant highlights, and URLs to video. Now we're going to go back and we're going to click on Create Video. Once you click on Create Video, you can start from scratch or translate a video, use one of their templates, as well as upload a PPT or PDF. You can also create a script with the help of AI and convert your PDFs to video. So simply choose whatever you prefer. Let's say I want to introduce the basic schools of psychology. And then after that, I want the tone to be educational. And then after that, we're going to click on Generate Script. Once you do that, this will draft your script, and then you can just click on Create Video. Once you do that, you can proceed and your video is going to be created. Now, this is the best part about using HeyGen, is that it is so quick and easy to use. You guys can see this is what my video currently looks like. So over here, I can play my video, and avatar lip syncing is going to be available after you have chosen to generate the video.
Several foundational schools of thought.
Now this is the avatar it has picked out. I can click on looks and change the look of the avatar. So we have multiple different styles that we can pick out from. Then after that, if you want to change the look of your avatar, you can simply click on replace, and then you can choose a different avatar. Let's say I want to be using Georgina. I can choose Georgina over here, and we also have multiple different spaces where she is present in. So I want to be placing her over here, and then I can choose the second scene as well. Then after that, I'm going to scroll down, and let's say I want to choose Marcus for my second scene. And then I can choose whichever type I want. Now I don't like this one. I want to use that also has some type of professional look. So let's say we want to go with, I think I'm going to go with Shirley or a different avatar. Let's go with Amelia, and I'm gonna go with Amelia over here. Like so. Once I do that, you guys can see we also have the voice controls on the left. So within your AI avatar, you can choose the voice that you want to use. Then you even have the HeyGen library. So if you want to choose a different voice, you can choose that as well. You also have their accent. So you can choose original accent or add a specific type of accent. And then you also have your voice engine. Now let's take a look at what this sounds like. Now, I do like this, but I might want the voice to sound a bit more broadcast-like, so I'm going to go with this one over here, and it's going to regenerate the audio for me. And this sounds much better. Then below that, we can choose their advanced settings. We can choose the speed, volume, similarity, style, as well as stability. And then you can choose to use speaker boosts. Now, below that, we are going to then customize the second component or our second scene. We can also customize this, and keep in mind that we also have AI avatars that don't have backgrounds. So you can add text, you can add avatar, you can add media elements such as backgrounds, as well as B-roll footage that you can include. You also have the ability to add captions. So if I want to add captions, I'm going to go back into scene 1, go into captions, and then choose the captions I want to add. Because we already have this script, it's going to easily create captions accordingly. Now I want to change this one, and I want the colors to be yellow. And I maybe want the text color to be white, like so. And then just like so, we have this, but I want a little bit of a change within the coloring once more. So I'm going to go with a darker or deeper yellow. And this looks pretty decent now. And now I can proceed.
Psychology.
And now I can click on preview on the top right and preview what the video looks like. Once you're satisfied, you can click on generate on the top right to generate your video. You can see on the top right, you also have the ability to collaborate with other members. So if you have team members, you can collaborate with them very easily. And just like so, your first project is ready. Now, this is how simple and easy HeyGen makes it for you to create AI videos, whether it's with a script that you created or whether it is with a general AI generated script. Now, with their AI Studio, if you click on over here, you will see that whenever I'm using their AI Studio from scratch, I haven't created the script. So I can do a / and then I can add pauses, upload audios, record the audio myself as well. So if I wanted to say anything, so I'm going to allow it to record. Hello everyone, my name's Lily. So whatever I want to record, I can add that, click on add audio, and then my audio will be added. So the AI Studio truly is something that allows you to customize your audio however you want. You can choose to mirror your voice, and after that, you can proceed with adding the rest of your script. Now let's see what it sounds like. Now, obviously it sounds like me, but I can proceed with generating and adding the lip sync. Now you might say, hey, this created a vertical interface or a vertical canvas. And if you're someone that wants to use horizontal canvases, you can just select that from the top left. And just like so, your canvas can be altered. And you can resize your avatar accordingly, like so. You can even click on animate to animate the avatar in, as well as choose to frame the avatar however you want. And that is how you can get started with HeyGen's AI Studio. Now, you might say, hey, is all of this for free? Well, HeyGen has several different plans. The free plan allows you to create 3 videos per month, with videos being up to 3 minutes long, 720p video exports, and standard video processing. You can add 3 avatars with your videos. Then they have their creator plan at $25 per month with unlimited videos and up to 30 minutes of video content. Their team plan is $39 per seat per month, which includes 4K exports and faster video processing. And you can save 22% if you opt for yearly billing. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.